I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a perfect mojito. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. For each refreshing drink, you'll need about 8 to 10 fresh mint leaves, 2 ounces of crisp white rum, 1 ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice, and 3/4 to 1 ounce of simple syrup. Don't forget plenty of ice, a splash of club soda, and some lime wedges for that final touch. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's move on to the crucial step of muddling. Place your 8 to 10 fresh mint leaves and 3/4 to 1 ounce of simple syrup into a sturdy glass. Using a muddler, gently press the mint leaves about 3 to 4 times. Remember, the goal is to bruise the mint just enough to release its fragrant oils, not to shred it. Over-muddling can release bitter flavors, so be gentle for the best taste. With your mint muddled, it's time to add the liquids. Pour in 1 ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice, followed by 2 ounces of quality white rum. Next, fill your glass almost to the top with crushed ice. This helps to chill the drink quickly and evenly. Give everything a good, gentle stir to ensure all the flavors are well combined and the drink is perfectly cold. You're almost there. For the grand finale, let's add the finishing touches. Top off your glass with about 2 to 4 ounces of chilled club soda, adding that delightful fizz. Give it one last gentle stir to incorporate the soda without losing too much carbonation. Finally, garnish your beautiful mojito with a fresh mint sprig and a vibrant lime wedge. Serve it immediately and savor the refreshing, balanced flavors of your expertly made cocktail. Cheers!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.